won't see this coming. Just 3 ingredients and an amazing recipe. Hi, Dosonas. Today I'm bringing you some finger-licking sweets. Plus, they're sugar-free, no oven needed, and really easy to make with just 3 ingredients. I'll start with a bar of chocolate, as you can see, the typical dessert chocolate, which has about 50% cocoa. You can hit it like crazy, or you can crush it with your fingers, like I do. But if you're wondering why I'm doing this weird thing, it's so it breaks into small cubes without making a mess. That way, you open the package and drop it straight into a saucepan, which you can then take to the double boiler, because we're going to melt the chocolate. Remember that this will gradually heat up, and then you'll start stirring. When you see that it starts to melt, give it a few stirs and repeat the process until you have real melted chocolate. Don't worry, this happens in just a few minutes. And now that we're almost there, what I'll do is take it to a board off the heat, give it a final few stirs, and get ready to add another ingredient, in this case butter, a very heaping tablespoon. I spread it again among the chocolate, stirring it so it takes on the temperature of the pan and the chocolate, and let it dissolve as well, giving it its shine, its texture, and a bit of flavor. Once you have the butter dissolved, we move on to the last ingredient. I add unsweetened oat coconut rings to make them really crunchy, although the classic way would be to use puffed rice. Well, use whatever cereal you want, but try these oat ones, they're amazing. And the trick is to add them little by little to get exactly the texture you like best for you. You can drop a spoonful onto parchment paper or a silicone mat, or use some cupcake molds like I do. Look how simple it is. You put 1 or 2 spoonfuls into each of the molds to distribute the amount, and then press down with the bottom of a little spoon. That way, they turn out flat, compact, and perfect. Once it has cooled down a bit, put it in the fridge for a little while, and you'll have this wonderful treat ready. Look, I'm also gonna make another dessert. Can you guess what it is? Tell me in the comments. Well, once the chocolate is hardened, you can take it out of the mold. And if you use something like I did, you can do it like this. And turn them over so they end up, well, nice and square, just like the industrial ones, which honestly look pretty cool and nice. Or you can leave them on the other side for a rustic look. So I'm going to show you the plate with both options, so you can tell me which one you like more. Professional style or turning them over for the rustic style? Look, I'll stop talking about myself. All the chocolate sweets, crunchy, delicious, with that touch of oats or puffed rice, however you like. Always delicious, always easy, and always ready to enjoy. But aren't you going to try them? You see, I look like I want some. How delicious! And chocolate always wins, especially if today you add a touch to make it healthy and another to make it crunchy. An absolute advantage. I hope you like it, and let me know down below in the comments. What easy chocolate recipe do you usually make? That way, we all learn together. And also, tell me, where are you watching the video from so we can travel the whole world together, man?